Luna, we need to hurry up and send a message to the city mayor to help the people of the city.
Okay, Mapy, but what happened suddenly?
We need to inform the city mayor to protect the server from viruses. I need your help to write a letter and some codes that the mayor could read and use to save the servers.
I'm switching on the computers, but I will need your support to use MS Word.
Of course I will. I'll tell you everything about MS Word in this chapter. You can type out these codes and messages and send them to the mayor, who can protect our servers with this information.